Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. Use the account that has two-step verification enabled. Once signed in, go straight to the left menu and open Security to find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Make sure you have immediate access to at least one approved verification method, your phone, backup codes, or an authenticator app, because Google will ask to confirm ownership before allowing changes. Now tap or click into the two-step verification settings to begin the removal process. Once inside the two-step verification panel, you will confirm your identity by entering a code delivered to the method Google chooses. Follow that prompt exactly. Next, review each listed verification method, phone numbers, authenticator app, and backup codes, and remove any that are outdated so they won't cause future problems. If you rely on a security key, note how it's registered. Make deliberate changes here because removing the only valid method can lock you out. Add an alternative if needed before proceeding. To disable two-step verification, flip the off toggle in the settings and confirm your choice when Google prompts you. You may need to enter a code again. Once disabled, immediately verify that your recovery email and recovery phone are current and that you have stored backup codes in a safe place, because these will be essential if you need account recovery. If anything goes wrong, for example, you lose access to your phone, use Google's account recovery flow and supply as much verification detail as possible to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.